7 quick ways to make money investing $1,000. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. It takes grit and determination. It takes understanding the different market forces at play. This isn't something intended for amateurs. But, if learned and learned well, it is a way where you can quickly within the span of hours make a significant amount of money with a relatively small investment. There are also ways to hedge your bets when it comes to playing the stock market. Whether you play the general market or you trade penny stocks, ensure that you set stop-loss limits to cut any potential for significant depreciations. Now, if you're an advanced trader, you likely understand that market makers often move stocks to play into either our fear of failure or our greed. And they'll often push a stock down to a certain price to enhance that fear and play right into their pockets. Invest in a money-making course. Investing in yourself is one of the best possible investments you can make. While you might not be able to pinpoint an actualized return on investment, there's no money that's better spent. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education. Discover what you're passionate about. There are loads of money-making courses on the internet. The hard part is choosing the right one. From ebooks to social media marketing, search engine optimization and beyond, the possibilities are endless. While many money-making gurus might pop up on social media, not all courses are created alike. Spend time doing your due diligence and research to choose the one that's right for you. Trade commodities. Trading commodities like gold and silver present a rare opportunity, especially when they're trading at the lower end of their 5-year range. Metrics like that give a strong indication on where commodities might be heading. I have long-term support and timing in the silver markets because silver is a solid hedge on inflation. Plus, commodities like silver are tangible assets that people can hold on to. The fundamentals of economics drives the price of commodities. As supply dips, demand increases and prices rise. Any disruption to a supply chain has a severe impact on prices. For example, a health scare to livestock can significantly alter prices as scarcity reigns free. However, livestock and meat are just one form of commodities. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are on the rise. While trading them might seem risky, if you hedge your bets here as well, you could limit some fallout from a poorly timed trade. There are plenty of platforms for trading cryptocurrencies as well. But before you dive in, educate yourself. Find courses on platforms like Udemy, Kajabi or Teachable. And learn the intricacies of trading things like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin and others. While there are over 3,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, only a handful really matter today. Find an exchange, research the trading patterns, look for breakouts of long-term moving averages and get busy trading. You can use exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken or Sex.io, along with many others, to make the actual trades. Use peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a hot investment vehicle these days. While you might not get rich investing in a peer-to-peer lending network, you could definitely make a bit of coin. Which lending platform do you use? Today, there are many to choose from, but the most popular ones include Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper. How does this work? Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to give small bursts of capital to businesses or individuals while collecting an interest rate on the return. You get more money than you would if you placed it in a savings account. Plus your risk is limited because the algorithms are doing much of the work for you. Once you identify the offer, you can dig in and do some research, then you can either take the deal or not. You'll have your risk evaluated based on a proprietary algorithm that includes employment and credit history. And you'll be able to make the decision to invest based on a variety of well thought out data.